Hey team, we're going to be talking about concyclic points today. So what's a concyclic point? So it says here, so this is straight from your book. Okay, concyclic points are points through which a circle can be drawn. A circle, this is a really fun fact by the way, a circle can always be drawn through any 3 points. So here's any 3 points. And notice you can always draw a circle. Okay, here's a quiz. Are these 2 points concyclic? The answer is yes, because you can draw a circle through them. Right? Therefore they're concyclic. What about this? Are these points concyclic? No. Because no matter how hard I try, I'll never be able to get a circle that includes all those points. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. So a circle can be drawn through any 3 points, but a circle cannot always be drawn through any 4 points. Except if one of 2 conditions hold. So here's condition number 1. Condition number 2 we're going to cover later, it's over here. So condition number 1. When can you draw a circle through 4 points? When 2 equal angles extend from the same side of 2 points. What does that mean? So this is basically angles in an arc. Remember that? Angles in arc equal. Another way of saying that is if I have 2 points of the 4 points and I draw lines from them, I extend lines out and then look at the angles they make. So let's try that, and I'll try this. Okay, I'll call this angle alpha, I'll call this angle beta. Okay, if alpha equals beta, then the 4 points are concyclic. So in this case, alpha is 59 degrees, beta is 59 degrees, so they indeed are concyclic. Right below is a picture showing an example of the circle you can make with those 4 points. Okay, example here, we can work through, we're going to be working through one soon. Okay, the second way to see if 4 points are concyclic is if, when considering the quadrilateral they make, that is the 4-sided shape, we see if the opposite angles add to 180 degrees. So in this case, we would say angle ABC equals 114, angle ADC equals 66. We consider what is this plus that, so oh look, it's 180 degrees, right? So we would then say that angle ABC plus angle ADC equals 180 degrees, and then you would say that therefore the points ABCD are concyclic. And here's an example of the circle you would draw. Okay, so only if one of those 2 rules hold. I've sort of written down a simplified version here, how I think about it. Points are concyclic if angles extending from the same 2 points are equal. Typically, when that happens, you're going to see this funny shape. That's how I remembered it in year 11. And you're going to be considering 2 angles on the same side. That's saying if they equal each other. Okay. The second way is if opposite angles in quad equal 180 degrees. So in that case, I have a quadrilateral, something like that. And I consider the opposite angles. I consider this angle and this angle. And call this X and Y. Okay. If X plus Y equals 180 degrees, it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So the points are concyclic, but furthermore, it's a cyclic quadrilateral. because it's a quadrilateral that is made of concyclic points. Confused? Let's do some exercises. Okay. Exercise 1. Let's consider these 4 points. Are they concyclic? That's the question. Justify your answer. Okay. So first off, in my mind, I think, does it look something like that or something like that? Okay. It looks like this one here. So we should be considering these angles opposite. So let's consider those angles. Let's add up angles BAD, the bad angle, right? And add it with this angle here, angle BCD. Okay, if you do the math, you're going to find out that in fact, we're just short. So this is not 180 degrees. You would then say, therefore, that's what these 3 dots means, these 3 dots, A, B, C, D, not concyclic. And it's very important to state your reason, because opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add to 180 degrees, and this fails that condition, therefore it's not. Okay, let's try this last figure. So what shape does it more resemble, the left or the right one? Ah, the left one, okay. So what rule do we have to use here? We have to use the rule that says points are concyclic if angles extending from the same 2 points are equal. Another way of saying this is that if angles on the same arc are equal. This is what an arc is, that part there. Alright. Okay, put more simply, it's just saying, does angle CAD equal angle DBC? Quite clearly no, but we have to write this down. So we'll say angle CBD does not equal angle DAC. Done. Okay, because of that, therefore ABCD are not concyclic. Okay, we can say if they were concyclic, the angles on the same arc would be equal. Say must be equal as well. It's arc there. Alright, that's it. Good luck.